If the power goes out in your apartment tonight, your phone can die before you learn when the lights are coming back. And if you rent, a gas generator is probably not your backup plan. So do not copy a homeowner setup. Build a renter plan for the first night. Here are 7 things to prepare before the next outage. First, solve light before you buy complicated gear. Start with one bright lantern for the room, one flashlight you can find in the dark, and a headlamp if you need both hands. Do not make candles your main plan. Test every light now and keep fresh batteries beside it. Second, protect phone power. A charged power bank is useful only if the cable actually fits your phone. Check every cable before the storm, keep one cable in the kit, and recharge the power bank on a regular schedule. Your phone is not the whole plan, but losing it early makes every other problem harder. Third, separate information from charging. Wi-Fi and home internet may stop even while your phone still has power. A small battery radio may help you hear local alerts, but treat it as an information tool first. Do not assume a tiny hand crank will quickly refill a dead smartphone. Fourth, keep simple water and food where you can reach them. Choose food that does not need cooking and keep a manual can opener if your food needs one. Avoid opening the refrigerator again and again. Water needs vary, so check local guidance and your own household instead of copying one universal number. Fifth, check building rules and local rules before you spend money on backup power. Never run a fuel generator indoors or in an enclosed area. Balcony and fuel storage rules can also vary. For many renters, the safer first purchase is a small indoor kit, not a machine that does not fit the building. 6. Add what your household would miss first. That may mean baby supplies, pet food and water, eyeglasses, a written contact list, or a small first aid pouch. If anyone depends on medication or special equipment, make a personal plan with the right professional. A generic kit cannot know who lives in your apartment. 7th, store the first night kit in one place. Not half in the kitchen and half under the bed. Use one small bin, shelf, or drawer. Tell everyone where it is and do a 10-minute check each month. Charge the power bank, test the lights, replace used supplies, and update the contact list. The common buying mistake is ordering random emergency products after one bad outage. Buy in layers instead. Start with light and phone power. Then add local updates, water, food, and personal needs. Before you buy anything bigger, check your space, your rules, and what your household will actually use. If you want to start today, begin with 3 categories: light, phone power, and water. I will put a short renter checklist and a few product categories in the description. Check your own situation first. No generator does not mean no plan. It means a renter plan,